What's up guys, welcome to a new vlog. Ray here, excited to bring to you another video. And in today's video guys, I'll just quick unboxing of this lovely perfume. I've wanted it for a long time and yes, it's finally in and we're gonna quickly unbox it. And yeah, this is the perfume I want to unbox with you guys. It is the Sauvage Elixir Dior. Oh my god, I've had so good stories about this and I'm finally having one in my hand. I have had it for, let's say, 2 days now and I've not even unboxed it yet because I want it to be special with you guys. But before we do that guys, go ahead, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much. All right, so this is the presentation. Looks really amazing. Comes with a box. It comes with also like one more toiletry. So I'll put this one on the side and then I'll get into that in a bit. All right, so should we start? Should we start with what it comes with? No, I'm just gonna start here. Yeah, that's much better. So I'm gonna tear this off. Yeah, put that on the side. So this is the box. Really beautiful box. I got the 100 milliliter. I think it's somewhere here, over here. Yeah, 100 milliliter. And that is the box, and that is the perfume. It really looks amazing. So I'm gonna put this on the side. It's really actually a heavy box. Put this one on the side, get this one out. Put this one on the side too. This is a elixir from Dior. I've heard about the smell. That it is amazing. I'm gonna quickly spray it on me for the first time. Wow, oh my days, that's a good smell. Woo. I love it guys. So this is the Elixir Dior and it's a magnetic, which is lovely too. You know what it reminds me of? It reminds me of another perfume. It's called Gisada or Gisada Ambassador. It reminds me of that. Really nice. I'm gonna totally be using this one this summer. It smells really good. So I'm gonna put it on the side and then I'm just gonna quickly show you guys what it comes with in the box too. So you got a Dior on the side, and in this box we got like a toiletry bag from Dior that it comes with, complimentary of the perfume. Wow, there we go. Just like a simple toiletry with 2 zippers, one on that side and one on this side. Really spacious toiletry bag with like a handle on this side. All right guys, that is the Elixir perfume from Dior. This is amazing. All right guys, catch you on the next one. Don't forget, big catch you on another.